200 semi-finals coming up. As we skip away from the discus throw, we'll try and keep you updated on what is happening over there and what is taking place with Joseph Salmon in that event. Under 18 girls 200 semi-final action, the first of 3 coming up.
In lane number 6, 24.34 turbines, representing the Convent of Mercy Alpha, Sienna Wilson. In lane number 5,
Rihanna Lonza Foley Chan within 4, Azaria Harris of Alpha in 5, Sienna Wilson, her schoolmate in 6, Jada Blake of the Queen School in 7, and Shade Allen of Homewood Technical in lane number 8. Azaria Harris was 4th in the 100 final last night. She is in lane number 5. Sienna Wilson finished 6th in the Champs Class 3 final earlier this year. She starts in lane number 6.
Wilson, this is a stronger event for her. Sienna Wilson running in lane 6.
Yeah, very versatile with the long jump as well. But I think Harris, this event will suit her much better.
They are on their marks. 2 short to go through, plus the next 2 fastest from the 3 semi-final races. They are set on their way. Azaria Harris got away quickly, blazed onto the blocks, covered her teammate quickly, and the rest of the field as well. Azaria Harris transitions with a commanding advantage. Sienna Wilson, her schoolmate, her teammate, chasing, but Azaria Harris, disappointed no doubt to be 4th in the 100 final last night, returns and qualifies comfortably to the final of the 200 meters and takes with her her teammate, Sienna Wilson, 1-2 Alpha.
Yeah, I think that's her redemption from 200. Well, steps to redemption because she still has the final to go. Disappointed in how she competed in the 100 meters, and she came out here today and decided that she's going to go and give everything in this 200 meters. Brilliant start. She closed the stagger on her teammate, Sienna Wilson, very early over the first 30 meters, comes into the straightaway in the lead. This is Azaria Harris. She runs the hurdles as well. 100 last night, disappointment, but comes out here, qualifies in the top position in the first semi-final.
Yeah, champ silver medalist in the 80-meter hurdles this season, when the record tumbled a few times throughout the course of the competition at champs.
Still the record holder if she shares it now.
Yeah,
joint record holder.
Yeah, that race just now, negative 3.4.
25.24 the winning time for Harris, 25.83 for Wilson. They are through. Shade Allen, 26.59, and Rihanna Laws, 27.12, are now on the bubble. Second semi-final race coming up in the under 18 girls 200 meters. In lane number 8, Shara Thorpe of Penwood, Courtney Eccleston of William Knibb in 7, Tawena Marston, champ silver medalist in class 3 in 6. And there is Sheldon Jarrett in 5, 5th in the 100 last night, the William Knibb athlete, with Natalia Moore closing out the field in lane number 3. No lane 5. That's where Kavina Bourne should have been, the former outstanding Port Antonio athlete who is now at Heidel. Miss Champs this year because of the transfer. Was really looking forward to seeing her today.
As was I.
But she doesn't take her place.
Tawena Marston, false start last night in the 100. This is one of her better events. Her better event. Silver at Champs.
Off they go. Marston in lane number 6 for Knox College. The Champs Class 3 silver medalist already going to work. Going by Eccleston of William Knibb. Jarrett expected to get close on her inside, and she does so down the home stretch. But Marston, choppy strides, but holding strong. And Marston will come through to win the semi-final ahead of Sheldon Jarrett of William Knibb, with her teammate coming through in 3rd position, Courtney Eccleston. But Marston getting the job done in this semi-final.
Yes, Tawena Marston in her stronger event, the 200 meters, 24:33, her best, gets out and going early. And she runs the 400 as well, so strong in the end. This is where she's trying to hold on. Jarrett of William Knibb and Eccleston chasing, but it's Tawena Marston who gets it. Again, just like Azaria Harris had disappointment in the 100 yesterday, she false started. However, Harris finished fourth, but she comes back and lays it down in her stronger event.
Here we go. Negative 0.9 meters per second. The wind speed 24.95 for Marston. Jarrett 25.17. Eccleston 25.42 on the bubble now with Shara Thorpe at 26.19.